Dr. Kletos, I was told you went out and tried following up. When I saw that you were in good hands, I decided to come here and wait for you. But I'm just surprised that you've changed your clothes and all that costume you wore.
Ikoku, what do you want?
Of course, I built this office and equipped it to your tests up to this moment, of course, you know.
From Chief's pocket. And that was because I did what you wanted me to do.
Oh, I'm not here to fight you. No, I'm not here to fight. Of course,
you
want to make it look like a tug war, huh?
Look, I'm not fighting either. I'm not pugnacious. I'm not as pugnacious as you are. But I'm aware you're about to start pulling blackmail at me.
Just the same way that I'm aware you were with Mirabelle. Of course, she has been on your neck to tell her what you told Chief. But you know, somehow I'm feeling so flabbergasted and a little bit uneasy on me that up to this moment I still have not known this other thing you told Chief. But of course you know that I find things out when I want to find it out.
How do you know I was with Chief's wife?
Is that a question? Oh, that question is not relevant. Dr. Cletus, it is no more time for gimmicks and playing hacky-packy game. Now is the time for the real deal.
What do you want?
To know everything you told Chief.
It's not possible. I cannot tell you that.
Dr. Cletus, I just want to let you know this. There is a reason I was nicknamed Ikwakiwama and Indufalik, and I've been careful not to tell my brothers or even mention it before my brothers. So you must tell me every goddamn thing you told Chief else you...
Or else what, Ikoku? Or else what? I knew you were about to start pulling the blackmail card at me.
Oh, your guess is as good as mine.
Ikoku, why are you always like this? Why? Why do you keep coming back to me over matters that have been concluded already?
The matter is not concluded already. It will never be concluded until I tell you so. Of course, you know, you must tell me all these things you told Chief, except you want me to tell Chief and his wife, or the rest of the family, how you secretly, you know, got Rachel go through CNC. You made her go through secret abortion. Listen. Chief will not only have you arrested, you will be jailed. And if ever you come out of jail, you will lose your certificate and license as a medical doctor forever. I must see to that.
What evidence do you have? Nothing!
Do not be overexcited over this. Of course, you know, I don't want us to go forth and back about this. You know, I know how to find things out. I am a pathfinder. The choice is yours. Either to tell me or not to tell me.
Do you know you're a born-attacked devil? Because that's what you are.
You can call me anything you want. I'm waiting.
Nice. So, if this thing is true, that means our future is here.
Exactly what are you talking about?
What do you mean by what am I talking about? Huh? Don't you know that if this thing Dr. Cletus told you is true, you already know what that means? Yes.
You know, I was not thinking along the same wavelength with you. I think I'm happy. You are beginning to use your psycho speed and you are being more proactive. I have seen the enthusiasm in you, and I think I appreciate it. I'm enthused.
Papa, yes. This is our time and our turn. Imagine you being the CEO and in charge of virtually all his assets. And I am at your right hand, giving orders, controlling everything. Eating whatever I like. And
what? Please just sit as you have seated already. We've not started doing nothing, and your hope is as high as drones. Please deflect. Deflect, please.
I should deflect.
Of course, you know.
Well, this is our time.
And our time, Papa. We have seen a fool.
This is our time. That's what we are talking about here.
I am seeing this thing now. I'm beginning to see and feel the visual aid of it. It's becoming to be more philosophical than I think.
What do you mean by philosophical?
Mama, you bite your tongue.
No,
Hey, that's what he said. Philo what?
it's called philosophical.
Philosophical.
Yeah.
After all these years, how couldn't I have known that you were a disappointment?
Honey, believe me. I do not know anything about this. I swear with everything I hold dear. I don't know.
Now tell me the truth. Mirabel, tell me the truth.
I am not lying. Believe me. In all honesty, I don't understand this.
Now, help me understand this. How come the whole test result is showing the same thing and you tell me you're not lying? Tell me the truth or I do something stupid to you.
Please. I'm begging you. I am begging you, I swear with everything I hold dear. If there's something that's supposed to exist between us, it's supposed to be trust. You need to trust me on this. I don't know.
You don't know what?
I don't know.
I said tell me the truth. If you can tell me the truth, I'll do something stupid to you.
Father.
Don't call me father. Don't!
Mom, what's going on here?
Ask this woman. Ask her! You.
Dad? Mommy, what's going on? Mom. Mom. Don't touch them. Mom. Mommy, what's going on? Really, what is happening in this house? What's going on between you and Dad?
I can't comprehend it either. It seems your father's dynasty will be divided anytime soon.
Mommy, what are you talking about? Mom, what are you talking about? What do you mean?
Reg, can I be left alone? Mom, come on, please. I'll fix this. Trust me. I will sort it.
Sooner or later, you have to talk. Sure. You have to talk.
I promise.
What you're saying, listen to your inner heart. You prove your words through your actions, not by your ways. Be wise, be wise. Oh, Mama, Chendiga, Jima, Omega, Meja.
You are coming?
Good day, doctor.
Yeah, good day, madam. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Doctor, my home is in crisis.
The one you told me about the phone?
Yes, doctor.
Madam, please calm down. Calm down. Can I see what you have there?
beyond your chair. She's innocent.
What about Chisel?
Right here.
Right. Madam, I'll get back to you as soon as the results are out.
You put one in sorrow. I'm beginning come again. Characterize people by their actions. You know, God, and you will never be fooled again by their words. Oh, mama,
Doctor, what was the outcome?
I'm afraid, madam, it is baffling.
What was the outcome? Just say it the way it is.
Chief does not share a DNA with any of the children.
What?
The test was conducted over 7 times.
How can this be true? I have never cheated on my husband. I've never thought of doing so. I married my husband as a virgin. Doctor, I don't even have an ex. How can this be true?
I believe you, madam. I'm completely bewildered.
Explain to me why this is happening.
I am completely bewildered.
Oh God! No! Doctor, what are you trying to say?
Madam, I'm so sorry. After all the tests being carried out, your children's DNA do not match with that of their supposed father. Here. I'm really sorry, ma'am.
Your husband's DNA do not match with that of your children. I've tried several times. The results came out the same.
Doctor, what is going on?
I don't know.
I've never cheated on my husband. What went wrong? Apart from our family doctor, you are the 3rd doctor I have been to.
So what are you trying to do? Mistakes? Where the mistake come from?
How did this happen? Who will believe I am innocent? How did I get to this point, Lord? Father, you know I have never done anything like this. Wait. Was my baby's exchanged at the hospital? Oh, how could that be? The first one, the second, and the third. No. God, this is too much. This is too much for me. This is too much for me, Father.
Ikoku, as the oldest member of this family, I feel highly disappointed in myself knowing about this matter for the very first time. It wasn't comfortable. Why?
Mazi, it is not your fault. That wicked and cunning woman has been living in Sido. And we have just discovered that all her lifestyle has been in a Sidomatic form. But I am just enthused. And my happiness has gotten to the highest crescendo that all her clandestine acts has just been discovered. And there's nothing she can do about it again. So God forbid that our brother's asset be willed to those shenanigans, those escalations that he called his children. God forbid.
God forbid, I agree. But the question is this. What do we do? It
is simple. In Latin it is called icus icarus. In another Latin language it is called kamikaze affair. That is, it is not a do or die affair. So if it is a do or die affair, when that time comes, we do it the kamikaze way.
I agree that we do that way. No, go. Ikoku, what do you mean by what do we do?
Njamaze, you know you are used to bedding yourself in small screen. But I don't think that it is yet Uhuru for that. This woman has been lying and fibbing to you, to all of us in this family for all these holy years. And your life is so clement and sacrosanct to be attached on this unholy mass of dexterity. Without me being fully involved in this rescue mission, you would be allowed with no choice of choosing between a sniper and a otapia. That woman you are seeing, whom you accidentally married, is the sniper. And those children you are seeing, they are the otapiapias.
Ikoku, this matter is my family affairs. And I will advise you to stay out of it. Stay away from my family matter. I will handle it myself.
Really?
You're asking me. Stay away.
Why would he say that we should stay out of this? If he's just realizing that he's not the father of the 3 children, like we also do not know, why would he say a thing as grave as that?
Listen, I know Njamanze more than all of you. The way he answered me, in fact, the way he attacked me suggests that he's not just discovering. But that is the truth.
Are you sure of this you're saying?
Ojukwu.
Yes.
You are the oldest man in this family. Uncle. I am just doing my best to let you be on the know of what is going on. And what is happening to our brother, of course, what is going to befall on all of us in this family. Have I done anything wrong in doing that?
As a matter of fact, we will tackle this case as soon as possible before it goes out of hand.
But I think we should, still hear from Njamanze before we take the next step.
Yes.
Dike, you know the estate where he lives. Will you go there and talk to him?
Why would I?
No, because me that goes every day to receive the attack. When I receive the blow, I come here, you will stay here and balance anyhow and throw back words to me. Go and receive it face to face. Go close so that when you hit you with word and with action, you will understand what. Do you think I go there to drink Bonvita and Somavita?
I go there to receive verbal actions and attack.
Ikoku.
Eh?
You are not the one to...
Chief, you have not said anything about what we have been saying. Isn't that a problem to you?
That's exactly my point. This issue is supposed to bother me more than all of you here. Because it is my family affair. So, I don't know why it's coming at this time. Can't I handle it myself? Demands, listen. This is a very important issue. First of all, that woman must tell us why she stayed on you. Secondly, if and what? And what, Ojuku? I say and what? Like I've told this boy, yeah, listen. I've told you, Ikoku. This issue is my private life. So I don't know why it should be an issue here. Njama said this is a character. I said it is a lie. Your maneuver is for us to babysit on this matter, but it is not going to work. We are not going to sit here and watch you unashamedly father someone's children. And when the time is ripe, then you will will all your establishments and conglomerates to aliens. It is a territory, a huge one for that. Who cares? Who cares?
Did you hear that?
Look at how you shouted. Who cares? Hey, you think I don't know your plans? You've always had eyes on my property. And your plans will not work. And it will not work.
What is wrong with that? No, tell me what is wrong with that? Is it a bad thing to have eye on your brother's property?
Something is wrong. It's a criminal act. No, it's not. I didn't call him a criminal, but it's a criminal act. In Jamanzi, it is not. It is even better. Instead of you handing over all your life achievements to those total strangers, it is not. Nah. I don't understand. What point are you trying to make here? These children, they are not yours. We know, and you equally know. Their days in this house are over. Okay, let me be the judge. This meeting is over. It is not over. You have not even penetrated into the issue of him calling me a criminal.
It cannot be over.
Did you not hear it when he called me a criminal? No. We will take this matter to extended family.
What is it? Ogini.
Mama, I came to see you people.
What do you want?
What do I want?
What do you want? Yes. Ogini Kicho. You came to see you people. What do you want?
Mama, why are you sounding like that? Uncle has been complaining that I barely come around, so I...
So what? So what? Huh? Did you just refer to my father as your uncle? If you don't know who your uncles are, you better go out there and start asking people, plead with them to show you who your real uncles are, because my father is not your uncle.
Wait. Why are you both sounding weird? What is really happening here?
What do you mean by that question?
Is it wrong for me to visit you people now?
If you don't know who your uncles are, pen, cancel here. No, bring pen and paper. Let me draw your uncles for you. Cancel here, Nana.
Is there a problem? Why is everyone acting so weird since I came in here? What's the problem?
No, what that's supposed to mean is that you're not welcome here. I have been careful scanning the image here to be sure that it is you. It means that you're not welcome here.
Wow.
That's what it means. So navigate back to where you're coming from. Navigate towards that gate. Go back to where you're coming from.
Please, don't be offended. Did I do anything wrong?
Are you asking?
Huh?
Are you still standing there and ask?
Are you stupid? Alanaigi, don't you ever in your entire existence talk to my father like that. By the way, what are you still doing here? Eh? Papa, what is he doing here?
Navigate to the gate back to your father's house. That is what I want.
It's okay. When you get home, you ask your mother, oh? Is your mother here?
Oh, but still ask your father. What is happening?
Rubbish.
Did you people cook anything?
We are trying to prepare these beans fast.
Trying to prepare by this time?
No, just calm down. Huh? Oh, calm down. Very soon.
Today's meeting was hectic.
Also,
you understand? And I least expected this idiot to stand here. Just immediately I left the meeting. I didn't expect that idiot to come here and still make me flashback of what I've just left.
I hope you did not fight with anyone.
That is what I'm saying. The anger of this idiot I saw here started from where I'm coming from.
I know.
I trust you. I believe you murdered them with your English. Namo!
Let's do fast.
Just rest your head. Food will be ready soon. Oh?
Let's do fast. I'm prepared.
That guy has balls.
Might I know what Ikoko and his family said to you that gets you fooling? What is it?
Mom, what's the secret you and Dad have been keeping from us?
Excuse me? What secret?
I don't know. I should be asking you.
I don't know either.
Don't lie to me, Mother.
Now listen. I don't lie. You should know by now that Ikoko is a joy kill. Why would you even listen to him in the first set? Why? Say no to his gimmicks and antics. Please.
Are you sure there's nothing I should know about?
Oh my word, how do I explain this? Toby, you've known me since you were born. Look me in the eyes. Do I look like someone that can lie to you? Ignore him. There is nothing, absolutely no secret.
Mom.
Ignore Ikoko. He's just seeking attention. Please. Dr. Curtis, this thing will soon ring my family apart.
You don't say.
I need help. I don't know what to do.
Everything you said, madam, I believe. But I'm confused about what's going on. You said you went for a confirmation test.
In more than 3 hospitals.
Yet the results all remain the same.
Practically the same. The question is why? Why is it so? I've never cheated on my husband. He's the first and the last man till death on my list. I don't have any ex.
He married as a virgin?
He married me as a virgin.
Huh.
What is going on? How do I tell the story? Who do I tell? Honestly, I am breaking inside.
Honestly, I wish I had an answer to that question.
From the couple feet Let him wear the cap of Buzielo. Control yourself. One name. Mellow your temper. On your
What is happening? Dad is still in his room.
Maybe he's not hungry.
Dad has a whole lot going on his mind.
And Mom too?
Maybe
Sure.
you should go to her room and find out. Okay, allow me eat.
Hold yourself. Listen to your inner heart. You prove your words through your actions, not by your ways. Be wise, be wise. Omo chenjiga, chiba, onyeka mejara, onyeka mejara. Omo chenjiga, chiba, onyeka mejara. Akwane nebe, omo chenjiga, akwane chiba, onyeka mejara. Akwane nebe, omo chenjiga, akwane chiba, onyeka mejara. Onyeka mejara, omo chenjiga, onyeka chiba, onyeka mejara. Akane nyocha, omo chenjiga, akama chiba, onyeka mejara. Alele mwana, alele mwana, wanyo bia diocha. She's innocent, oh. Why do you want
The
to
children
get
are eating alone at the dining.
You should be there with them. Why are you here?
If there's a way to ask where I was, I told you I was going to see Dr. Cletus. Didn't I? I'm not supposed to be going through all this.
You will go through more than this until you open your mouth and tell everyone what happened. Now, listen to me, Mirabel. I will not be the one to lose in all of this. You will be the one to lose. You're here shedding crocodile tears.
I am told to say something I honestly do not have any idea about. And I feel alone in all this.
Listen, Mr. Contractor. It is rather unfortunate you made me lose him. Yes, you made me lose that contractor now that I needed him most. Please just say it. If you're not ready, let me know. I hate when people don't know what they want. Look, Mr. Man, look. You are getting me erratic. These buildings you're talking about will be on a swampy area and other residential buildings. So just tell me, what are you saying? Joby, you look worried.
Father, everyone in the household has been worried for some time now. Because we're still in the dark of what is really going on. I don't know about anyone, but personally, I feel like a stranger lately.
Why?
Obviously, you and Mom owe us some explanations.
Joby, you will know what you need to know when the time comes.
If ever we get tired of waiting to tell us what this whole thing is all about and we decide to walk away, no one should blame us for our actions.
And we are not keeping anything from you or any of your siblings, Joby.
But what Ikoku and the wife told me proves otherwise.
What did they say?
Amanda told me to my face that her father is not my uncle.
What exactly did they say?
They didn't really say anything in clear terms, but the father walked in the middle of our conversation and confirmed that neither I nor my siblings don't belong here. So you see, I don't really understand what this whole thing is all about.
Ikoku, Chief, I have told you over and again to stay away from matters concerning my family. I don't want your concern. Eh? Don't you understand me?
Chief, excuse me. What is exact tragic crime of myself? No, I want to know what is that exact tragic crime that I have committed towards you.
I don't know what you told my son Joby, but let me warn you for the last time. Stay away from my family.
Chief, you see those people? They are not your family. We are your real family. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know. Delegate some of your assets to me. Hand me over your empire. Let me run. I am the most educated after you. You see, if you give my brother Ojuku some things to hold, you give Dike some things to hold, it's not too bad. And that is what I have been working on your psychological innuendos, so that it will go forth and back to remember, some certain natural truth. We are blood brothers. Do not lay your strength on strangers. These people will deal with you. If for posterity's sake, something that will happen in 20 years to come, in 100 years to come, in the future. That is what I'm working on your psychology. So that you remember all these things. You will say that
Ikoku. Chief, after all this your grammar, let me tell you for the last time. If not for something that is holding me back, I would have asked you never to step this your feet in my house again. Yes, if not for what our late father told me before he passed on, I would have asked you never to step your foot.
Yes. You would have asked me, Ikoku, not to come to your house.
You heard me.
Hey!
You heard me clearly.
Ikoku,
stay away.
Me, Ikoku, will not come to your house. Wonderful. Very beautiful. Your wife has been exposed. You cannot hide the truth. You want to disconnect me from your family? We will connect in Connecticut.
You are greedy. You are reckless.
What an emotional future! Let me see myself again. Is that diversional architectural mahogany he calls his house again? What a drone of insult! What a cacophonious way of disgracing a prestigious man like me! You can imagine this kind of insult. What is more heavier than this in this life? Let me see what will ever make me go to that his dysfunctional architectural mahogany he calls house. Let me see what will take me there again.
Who provoked you? What is it?
Could you imagine my brother asked me not to come to his house simply because we met on our way? Because I wanted to come to his house. Is that not an insult?
Biko, please. You know what is ahead of us.
Yes, of course. A lumberjack of insults. That's what lies ahead of us.
All we need now is to focus. You already know what is going on. Ignore him. Ignore everything about him. For now, let us achieve our aim. Biko.
It's not a problem. By the time I build my atmospheric condition and move on the parallel way forward and backward, he will understand why I was nicknamed Ikpokenwama in Ndufa Alekere.
Start by cooling your temper. Oh, calm down first. Let us achieve what we planned to achieve.
Have you seen? Have you seen my diaphragm in inhalation and exhalation depreciating?
Look at your heart is beating very fast. Eh?
It is not a kamikaze affair yet.
Please, don't bring kamikaze affair into this matter. Biko, Onna, calm down.
Father, you mean Ikoku is doing all of this because of the family business?
Ikoku is a die-hard cutthroat and a selfish person. He does not think of anyone else except himself. That's why he's doing all these things that he's doing.
Including inciting members of his family against us?
Of course. I have opened businesses for Ikoku and they all went down the drain. Whenever I give him a small opportunity, he will mess it up and take the opportunity for granted.
So, what exactly does he want? Because this whole thing is getting out of hand.
He has always wanted all that I have. That's why he's doing all these things. But I know you will sit and oversee to all that I have. My brothers.
Yes.
Ikoku say he will not drink. So you should manage this little drink for me.
Of course, I said I'm not interested in this. That is why you brought 2 glasses for them. It's not as if I am, exempting from the cola you have brought. No. It's just that I am not in the right mood of taking liquor.
Njemanze, I will take it. But that will not stop me from saying what I want to say. I told you the last time we spoke.
Yes.
That you should give me time. Let me think of what to do concerning this matter.
Njemanze, we've given you enough time to do something about that woman and those children she's trying to force on you.
Uncle, what did you just say?
Excuse me. What right do you have to barge into
Wait. I heard what Uncle Ojukwu just said. What is it Uncle Ojukwu just said?
What Uncle Ojukwu has just said is that none of you belong here. What? Your mother has been gallivanting in nocturnal acts, and all of you are the expectant result of the DNA mishap. That is what Ojukwu has just said.
Father, are you saying you're not our biological father?
He is not. He is not.
How is that possible?
Of course, your mother has a lot of explanation to give to all of you.
Mom, what are they talking about? You want to tear my family apart. That's what you've always wanted, Ikoku. Why?
Mirabel! You have been working assiduously to tear this family apart, but it will not work. I am giving you 2 months to come out with the truth. Otherwise, we will throw you and this bastard out of this compound. Willy-nilly.
Ikoku, sit down! Sit down!
I should sit down?
Just sit down. This decision is not for you to make. Our eldest brother is here. He's our eldest. Respect him.
Thank you, Njemanze. As you've rightly spoken, I want to inform you that that woman has only 2 months to confess to the entire Ozumba family before we take our final decision.
Thank you.
Whether you like this or not, this is where we stand.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You have spoken. Is there any other? He has nothing to say. There's nothing to say. Our brother have said something. The most, eldest. What do you have to say then?
The doctor said your DNA doesn't blend with that of your father.
Mom, you mean to say that father is not our father?
I don't know how all this happened.
I seem to be the only helpless one in all of this.
Mom, really? Like, what are you talking about? You don't know how all this happened.
Honestly.
You're trying to say you don't know who got you pregnant. No, that's what you're saying. Mom, you've been sleeping with other men, isn't it?
Uche, don't talk to your mother like that. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Isn't it obvious that what Rachel is saying is the truth? Very disappointed!
I don't know how this happened.
But Mom, how is it possible? How?
When one loses his or her autonomy and independent of ability to control her environment and resources, they become a slave. In all honesty, I'm a slave to all of this. I don't know. I've never cheated on your father. Never thought of it. Till this day, he's my first and the last man. You have to believe me. Please make them understand. I am breaking inside. Ever since I noticed this, I have been questioning myself. I've never achieved it.
It's okay, Mom. Mom, it's okay.
Mom has been cheating on Dad. And that makes us bastards. But what I don't understand is, why will she do such a thing? Why?
I don't know. I don't know. I have a feeling something is wrong somewhere.
Really? Well, the only thing wrong anywhere is that she is not telling us the truth. She's not telling anyone the truth. That is the only thing wrong anywhere.
But she said she did not do it. That's what she said.
Oh, really? And you think Diobi and I believes that crap? You think we believe that bull crap of the millennium? You think we believe that?
I don't know. But she's still our mom, so I don't know what to say now. But
I am beyond disappointed. I am beyond
Richard, please.
Just let me be. Please, I want to be alone, please.
She's innocent to you. Why do you want to wicked her? You just want to disgrace her. You put her in pain. You put her in sorrow. I'm beginning come again. Characterize people by their actions. You know, God, and you will never be fooled again by their words.
That's mother's seat.
And what's that supposed to mean?
I mean, you are sitting on mother's seat.
Will you shut up? Now listen. Let this be the last time you call that woman my mother. Do you understand? And the next time you interrupt my food, she will not like me.
Wait, Rachel. How do you feel when you say these things? Don't you feel insane?
Did you just call me insane? Yeah, no. Godson, did you just call me insane? Are you mad? Like, are you losing it? Don't you ever in your life talk to me in that manner again if you're not mad.
Look, please, Rachel, just stop. Stop all this nonsense. Like a woman that has nurtured you. All your life is now a subject of hate and disdain to you. Come on! You're messing up. Check yourself.
Are you mad? Like, are you insane?
What's going
on? Hold this boy. Hold this boy.
Rachel will just sit on mother's seat and I will just try to tell her to.
And you have to be careful. And who told you that woman has any special seat nor place in this house? She is just like any of us. A total stranger.
Exactly.
So don't go about insulting your elder sister because of that woman. Because I will not take that.
Joby.
It's okay. It's okay. Godson, sit and eat your food. They can insult me anyhow they can fit. Sit. They just out with their minds.
No, you are the one who is out of her mind. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, woman? No. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are supposed to be a role model to your children. Especially me, your daughter. Your only daughter. But here you are disgracing yourself, thinking you're disgracing me.
Just shut up! Will you
shut up?
Hey!
What is happening here? Are you mad?
Are you mad?
Don't try! Cannot keep that thing. What sort of madness is this? What is all of you? Disappear from all of you.
I am sure you're happy. I'm sure you're happy. See the madness is not in your house. See the madness is not in your house. Eat this food. Eat it. Shameless woman.
Disappear.
And if I refuse?
Huh? Just imagine. Nonsense. In my house.
I must really express how disappointed I am in all of you over what happened yesterday. Like I've said before now, none of you has the right to turn my house to a battlefield until I make my decision.
Dad, you need to warn Joby and Rachel. They disrespect Mom at every given opportunity.
Can you shut up? Father is still talking.
Godson, don't mention my name. Don't.
Shut up your mouth. Remain silent. You are the one who is supposed to shut up your mouth, not him. You are supposed to show a good example to your younger ones. Rather, you are the one inciting conflict between them.
Father, this has nothing to do with me.
It has everything to do with you. Because of your inability to take care of this small family that I'm supposed to live for you.
Father, does that mean you're taking my rights and privileges?
You don't have an inheritance, right or privilege, if you cannot lord over this small family unit. What makes you think you can be made a captain of much?
Father, I just said it has nothing to do with me.
I am angry with all of you. I have taken my decision and it is final. Because none of you is considered fit to be saddled with the responsibility of taking care of all that I've labored for. Like my elder brother said, your days in this house are numbered. Your days are numbered, all of you. I've told you.
Your father said he won't be in charge of any position until he thinks otherwise. It's okay.
I heard he's about to make Uncle Ikoku the new MD of the company. Why father still haven't learned his lesson is what I don't understand. How can't he learn his lesson from the past dealings with this crafty, old, wasteful, greedy man? I mean, everybody knows this about this man except my father. What do you want me to say?
Ikoko is his brother.
Oh, please. His wicked brother. I don't understand why father can't just see the handwriting written boldly on the wall.